In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendar to Notion. By the end, you'll be able to view your Google Calendar right inside Notion so your events, tasks, and notes live in one place. Start on your computer by opening Google Calendar in a web browser. If you're already signed in, head straight to calendar.google.com. On the left sidebar, you'll see your list of calendars. Pick the specific calendar you want to embed. This could be your work, personal, or school calendar. Choosing the right one now keeps your Notion page focused and clutter-free. Hover over the calendar's name and click the three-dot menu or the small arrow next to it. From that menu, select Settings and Sharing. This takes you to the configuration page for just that calendar, which is exactly where we need to be. Scroll down until you find the Integrate Calendar section. Here, look for the public URL to this calendar. We're going to use the calendar's public URL because it tends to be more reliable with Notion than using an embed code, and it usually updates more smoothly. Once you've located it, copy that URL to your clipboard. Now switch over to Notion and navigate to the page where you want your calendar to appear. This might be a personal dashboard, a project hub, or a scheduling workspace. Click on the spot where you want the calendar to sit, then paste the Google Calendar URL you just copied. Notion will prompt you with options. Choose Embed. Give it a moment to load. If your calendar contains lots of events, it may take a few seconds to display fully. Once it appears, review your embedded calendar. You can scroll through upcoming events and see your schedule alongside your tasks and notes, which makes planning much easier. If the calendar doesn't show up or it displays without events, go back to your Google Calendar settings and make sure the calendar is set to public or properly shared. Private calendars generally won't display in Notion, so adjusting visibility is often the key fix. Back in Notion, feel free to adjust the position or resize the embed so it fits your layout. A clean placement helps your calendar feel like a natural part of the page rather than an afterthought. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Calendar into Notion, creating a centralized workspace for schedules and planning. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.